rounds here in the bracket class. We got 2 golf carts, 48 volt, lead acid, 72 with lithium.
Nice.
Subwolf and the navitas kit. So we're just here to test them out, give them a try. Got some friendly faces here too. What do you think, dude? So we're gonna go register right now and go to the driver's meeting. What do you think, dude? How do you think we're gonna do?
25x you get.
One first round.
Can I get 33 if it's available? I'm Scott. Scott, this one, second one. 30. It's a club car.
Number are we?
I'm 33. I want 33.
Why 33?
It's for old Max Verstappen.
Where the starting line is, half you guys are going to blow right past it.
Is our test and tune time our bracket qualifying time? Or?
Well, not qualifying. You're going to base your dial-in time off of these test and tune tests.
We'll think these are the pit buddies, but I let them know I'm here to race.
Look at the camera.
Not very much competition today. Alright, so we're gonna line up with the competitors here. Alright, man, so how do you think these golf carts are gonna do? I think it will.
How do you think the golf cart's going to do today? It was last time, so I don't even know. I don't even know.
Did you think you'd see a couple golf carts showing up here today? You did? Shut up. Alright, how far do you think these guys are gonna go in the brackets? We're racing them. They're going. They're making it. That one's 72 volts. Taking right lane or left lane? You gonna give me the hit, or are you gonna try to hit your action?
No, we got to put a time down.
Okay.
This is not between me and get our times.
Fair enough. All right, so Nick's got the navitas kit with the 70 volt. I've still got the lead acid, as you can see. He's pulled about eight cart lengths from me. Just running it down. Now that was a really dirty track. I felt the cart moving all over the place. If I busted above 12 seconds, then I'm gonna start to be worried. So I'm gonna stage up here in the left lane. Got Nick getting ready to stage up. Are you playing staging games? You're trying to play ball games here? No! Alright, so we're just finishing up our qualifying times here. I'm running around 11.8. That's where I think I'm going to put my time at. What did you run?
I ran a 9.4 and a 9.2.
Okay, so what are you going to put down for your bracket time?
I think I'm going to put down a 9.2. See, I'll actually pull my slip.
9218.
So this was me and you.
Yup. 11.872, 9.218.
So I'm going to go 9.2.
Look at our 3.5 60 foot, 3.0 60 foot. I went 22 mile an hour, you went 30 mile an hour. Right, so we got another golf cart. We're starting something here.
Out
The lineup we got.
the lineup of the bracket class.
Right lane 1, left lane red lit. Right lane, I can right seems to be the lucky one. busted out. Looks like Nick just busted out because it said right lane 1. So he must have ran too fast.
8-9.
What? How'd you run so much faster? All right, well now you gotta change. You gotta buy back in and change.
You feel it? Getting all nervous? Not at all. Tingly? Excited?
33.
I'm ready to go.
Taking a selfie here. About to win this bracket race. And I got Mr. Excalibur coming up here.
Actually, this guy, he's good, so I wouldn't want to race him.
He doesn't look consistent. It's all right.
Now all I have to do is hit the light. Come on, baby. Just gotta hold them off. Gotta hold them off, baby. I don't know if I won that or not. Alright, so third round of the bracket racing. It's now the joke got serious. We got a super consistent cart in the right lane. And Nick hit it early. Go! It's the right lane, but takes him out. Nick just got taken out by the other golf cart here. He was just more consistent. Man. Blake's upset about it. Sucks. Man. I wonder what the times were on it. So it's all down to the beige queen herself. Hole 33 here. So I'm up on the race here versus Mr. Side by Side. I think I got him. I think I just got him. I think I just got him. Just got him.
Yeah, I believe that's it.
Ran too fast by 1/10.
I didn't even see mine.
Less than a 10.
He just took my slip.
0.09. I broke out. Oh, he broke out too.
I know. But he's still how a winner.
No, I'm going on then. Oh shit! I'm not. He broke out 07. I broke out 09.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you know, you win some, you lose some.
I want to see what that
Be back next time. Just ran too fast.
Dude, it just again slow.
What?
9-4-2-3 on a fresh green. You know, we made it into the third round.
Third round. You got stopped. I got stopped out. It's all right though. Okay, we're gonna be back here next time too. Port Huron Drag Club.